stainless steel. Cars are rushing, lights are burning, wheels keep turning, never still. Beneath the ground, the metro's singing, carrying lives from night to day. But there's no road for the riders, no place for bikes to find their way. Oh, Vertopo Bridge, you carry us home through the city veins where we all roam. Walking, driving, trains below, but no path for wheels that slowly go. Halfway closed under heavy skies, still we cross you, broken yet alive. Workers hammer, sparks are flying, concrete breathing, old and warm. Pedestrians keep on trying, through the chaos we are torn. Dreams of cycles on your shoulders, never written in the plan. Still we're waiting for the future to make you whole again. Oh, Vertopo Bridge, you carry us home through the city veins where we all roam. Walking, driving, trains below, but no path for wheels that slowly go. Halfway closed under heavy skies, still we cross you, broken yet alive. Every step is echo in the past. Every engine prays the fix will last. One connection holding north and south, one strong voice without a mouth. Final Vertopo Bridge.